Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up, man? You know, he's your boy, he's your boy. You know, we trying to do something different today. We trying to do something different today. We got the camera, we got the PC, we got the monitors. Hey, boy, life is good. Life is good right now, man. So today we're going to be going over my PC build itself. So keep in mind that also I would like to preface this with my camera's up here, my monitors is down here. So if I'm talking like this way, it's because I'm looking at my whatchamacallit? I'm looking at my two monitors, which actually have my face and like they're my monitors. They're my monitors. But look, yeah. So I like to preface this by saying that during this whole PC build, my parts came in at all type of different timing. So once I started like actually building stuff, I was still missing things. So like for example, my case, my fans, power supply, RAM, and keyboard, they all came at the same time, around the same time, because I ordered everything back last year in November, right? So they all start coming in around December time. But my two most crucial things in my PC was my hard drive and my my graphics card. They didn't come in until I want to say 2 weeks ago. So I didn't want to make like PC building videos without the project actually being done. Anyways, enough yapping. I'll be starting making more reaction videos like this and stuff. So if y'all mess with it, let me know. I'm gonna be posting on YouTube and TikTok. I mean, TikTok get banned or anything. Hopefully it don't get banned. But I finally cracked the code, man. I finally cracked the code. But yeah, you know. But yep. Obviously, this is a box. No shit. But yep, this thing is time lapse, so I'm gonna have to talk real quick. It's not gonna be that long of a video because my second part of me actually like finished the build and stuff is still it was just a little blurry, so y'all kind of get the point. But, yep, right here, obviously we got the keyboard. Shout out to my one of my NCOs, man. He really helped me build this PC. It's like a mid range, so it wasn't too bad, but it was still expensive, nevertheless. But we went with this. If y'all need a keyboard, I definitely recommend this. And I'm not even like a PC person. I'm like PlayStation till I die. But yep, that's a really nice keyboard. It glow up. It got nice little clicking noises. There's a whole bunch of stuff. That's my motherboard. Obviously that's the fans. The good motherboard doesn't glow up, but the fans do. I went with the NR 200 something. I don't know. It's a white. It's a white case with a glass little So it's nice. It's nice. But yep. There's my cooler and everything. Yeah, I can't see my mouse. I disabled my mouse because I think it just looked a little bit more appealing, but whatever. Yep, I just put this out. I was helping build it, but he was really doing most of the work, so I did learn a lot. I learned a whole bunch, and it works. It actually works. So I was so scared when I was crimping down. If y'all know about PCs, y'all gonna understand what I'm saying. I was so afraid like crimping down the actual CPU because it's like a lever, and if you crimp it down wrong, you'll bend the pins, and them CPUs is like $300 or $400. So I was super scared about that. Yep, there go the case. There go me looking like a like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. This is my first time reacting, bro. So Yep, this is the case and everything. The sticks around. This is us like actually putting it together. I think that's the it's whatever. It's the whatever. But yep, that's us building that shit. Building that shit, boy. I'm really getting it in. I'm getting it in. Look, I'm. Yeah, you see me. Look at that. Yeah. You ain't even know. I'm a real cable dog for real. I don't know what that is, but just let you know, my cable management in the back of my PC right now, spectacular. Yep, there we go. It's building it. We just screwing shit in. Yep, getting the fans and everything. I think the video's about to end. Yep, damn. Okay. Well, the video ended, but other than that, I can probably just yap real quick. Hold on. Let's deactivate that. Okay. So, I would just like to preface this with, I appreciate everybody that's been rooting me along the way, that's been like being on my backs, on my back, and like just encouraging me and stuff, because I've always wanted to do content creative, but this shit is hard, bro. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm still editing videos, but I love it. I love doing it. I don't like doing it, but when I'm actually doing it, I love it. So, yep. Just expect more reaction videos, and like obviously I'm still gonna be playing the game and stuff and making like edits and stuff. But I think people really just gravitate to me more like personal time. Just me face to face with y'all. You know, face to face. But yeah. I would be streaming, but I just cannot stream out here. The internet is so bad. It's insane. But yeah, hopefully my audio's good. Let's see. I hope my audio's good. Whatever. It's cool. If my audio is bad, well, YOLO. But yeah, appreciate y'all looking out. More videos to come soon. I'm definitely gonna be playing Marvel Rivals. I hit gold 1, so I'm thinking gold 1 last season. As of this recording, it's the 10th. I'm definitely gonna be playing Susan with her fine ass and stretchy Mr. Shaboing Boing Arms, Reed Richards. But yeah, I appreciate y'all looking out, and yeah, it's been real. Also, yes, I was gonna say, so I still am gonna do the Jordan videos. I just have been super busy with school, because I've been doing school also. School, the videos, and like building the PC. I've just been super busy, but we got OJ's over there, but we're gonna be doing the other ones, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be posting all this on my YouTube and stuff, but yep, it's been real. Appreciate it.